Tired nights and restless thoughts can feel overwhelming, but there's hope right around the corner. Imagine falling asleep in just 2 minutes, a skill honed by military personnel to combat stress and fatigue. This time-tested technique is surprisingly simple, yet profoundly effective, inviting you into the serene realm of sleep almost immediately. First, let's embrace the starting point of this method: getting comfortable. Lie flat on your back, allowing your arms to rest gently at your sides. The position you create in this moment is crucial. A serene foundation will enhance your relaxation. Your body needs to feel safe and supported, preparing each muscle for what's to come. Surrender the tension with each breath as you set the stage for peaceful sleep. Next comes the art of deep breathing. Gently inhale for 4 seconds, holding your breath for another 4. After this pause, exhale slowly for 4 seconds, creating a soft rhythm that syncs with your heartbeat. Repeat this cycle 2 to 3 times, turning the breath into a tranquil melody. As you breathe, a wave of calm washes over you, signaling your body that it's time to transition into the deeper realms of sleep. The third step involves the conscious decision to relax every muscle. Start from the top of your head, easing the tension from your forehead, jaw, and shoulders. Allow this relaxation to flow down through your arms and torso, eventually reaching your legs and toes. Visualize each muscle loosening like a soft thread unwinding, while your body sinks deeper into your sleeping surface, cradled and safe. Finally, prepare to clear your mind. Picture a peaceful sanctuary, be it a soft hammock swaying in the breeze or a serene lake surrounded by towering mountains. Alternatively, calmly repeat a calming word such as sleep, anchoring your thoughts and dispelling the nighttime chatter. This imagery creates a bridge to blissful oblivion, nudging your mind toward the precious gift of slumber. By incorporating these steps into your nightly routine, you inform your brain that relaxation and sleep are not only possible, but also welcomed. With a few nights of practice, your struggle with insomnia will begin to fade, transforming restlessness into sweet dreams within just 120 seconds. Embrace this military-tested method for a deeper, rejuvenating sleep tonight.
Stay fit. Stay strong. See you in the next video.